So I would like to share my experience throughout the Aegis and also the current experience. So I was joined in the batch 2021 in the Feb, and currently I am working in ICICI Bank. So I was in the non-coding background when I joined the Aegis, and after Aegis, like, I have learned Python, SQL, which I was not learned in my engineering. So that have helped me to boost my career, wherein I am working in the current ICICI Bank. So I am a business analyst in the ICICI Bank currently, and I am a application owner. The application is basically whatever the trading which is happening in the security market, like NSE, BSE. So for that, we are the clearing member. So whatever trade is executed, my application does the execution part, clearing part. Okay. So yeah, this is what about my experience, and throughout this ages that have helped me in the different stage, like learning what all tools which can use that, right? Currently we are using that SQL, the database is Linux. So yeah, this can help me while during the ages.
Okay, sir. Coming from a non-technical background, how difficult was it for you to adapt the new domain?
So in the starting, like in our small childhood, like if we are learning ABCD, then we'll go by the words and then sentence. The same way our faculty, like Jai has taught us in the Python. He has set the characters and then giving us that how to know programs are small programs, like building us alphabetical, building a calculators. Like this way he helped me throughout this ages career. Yeah.
I'm curious about the tools and technologies you use in your day-to-day work.
So currently in our company we are using that SQL. That is a must have what we say tools that everyone should have. And second is like Linux, and also said that if you are going in the data scientist background, you should know about the Hadoop. That's all trading which is going on in the market, corporate market.
How do you actively stay updated with the ever-evolving tools and technologies in this field?
So I would share my experience never depending on one of the tools. Okay, you should learn each and every tools, because when I have learned in the Aegis, I have learned this Hadoop, I have learned SQL database, but I was not aware of a Linux. So that was my learning in my experience. So never stop your learning, I would say.
Okay, so good advice. Throughout your career as a data scientist, what has been the biggest challenge you have encountered and how you have managed to overcome?
I would take this question in a different way, because I am a business analyst, not a data scientist. I don't like much of a coding. Rather than coding, I would like, in the business analyst I will say about. So in the business analyst, like, you should know coding, basic codings, and you should know the documentation part as well. So starting with the, like, if you are in the career of the business analyst, you should know the basic coding. That's how, like, whenever you are interacting with the vendor, so if they deliver any product to you, you should know the basic algorithms and everything. That's what I can say, rather than data scientist.
What suggestions and tips would you give to someone who wants to pursue a career in data analyst?
I would say that you should just focus on the core subjects, like SQL plus, then analytics subjects. Okay, just focus on the basic part, because in the corporate world they just do the basic simple select queries are there. Then making a small like queries wherein we can get the data of that whole tables. So all these queries are basic use, not in complex queries. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your experience and insights with us. We appreciate your time and willingness to engage in this.
Yeah, thank you so much.